Good evening, traders, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm going to do the forecasting of all Euro pairs. Before I start my forecasting, please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. As you can see, guys, Euro JPY falls a lot last week. So what I'm expecting from Euro JPY to go up? Let's see what's gonna happen. So as you can see, guys, Euro JPY is already near to my daily support and it's already touched my daily support. And right now, trend is down. As you can see, trend is down. Market is open right now. So what I'm expecting, Euro will come down a little bit, and I will wait for this move and I will wait for this pattern, and when I will waiting for this breakout when it will be break, and I am expecting Euro JPY to go up for upcoming week. So let's move to our next pair, that will be Euro USD. As you can see, guys, in Euro USD is already touched one of my monthly support level. It's touched the monthly support level right now in our daily support level, and the trend is up, but the trend is a bit weak right now. So what I'm expecting, Euro USD to come little bit more down and test this level again, or it will go up, or maybe it will go up from straight away. So what I'm expecting from Euro USD, it will go up for upcoming week. So as in simple word, you guys can say that the Euro USD trend will be up for upcoming week. Let's move on to Euro GBP. Euro GBP, as you can see, as most of you guys know, GBP fall a lot from quite 400 to 500 pips last week. The reason why the Boris Johnson statement and the Brexit is not gonna happen till before 30 of October. So what I'm expecting, the pound will be stronger this week. So that's the reason I'm expecting Euro pound to fall. Right now, as you can see, trend is up and it's a bit strong. So what I'm expecting from this trend, uptrend, to touch my this monthly resistance level. So if we will get this kind of move, yeah, so we will wait for our breakout to complete the pattern, and then it will be fall. At least I'm expecting Euro GBP fall to at least 89 or 88, and then we will see what pattern is gonna create and how we need to take trades for upcoming. So for now, I'm expecting Euro GBP to go down, but guys, this is not a signal, this is just my forecasting, this is my point of view. So if you need a signal, there is a link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel. You will get proper signals over there. Right, let's move on to our next pair, Euro AUD. Yep, right now you can see trend is up, but it's a weak. So what I'm expecting from Euro UAD is come down here, because if you guys watch my previous video, in which I do the forecasting of all AUD pairs, so I was expecting AUD pairs to go up. So what impact gonna happen on Euro AUD when AUD pair will go up? The Euro AUD will definitely fall. But as you can see, guys, it's already crossed my daily support, but is near to my weekly resistance. So what I'm expecting, maybe it will come straight away down, or I'm expecting this pair to come up at least this level. So I will wait for breakout and then I will enter in the trade. So what I'm expecting from Euro AUD from upcoming week, it will fall. Let's see what's gonna happen, because we have a lot of AUD news coming in the coming week. So I'm expecting Euro AUD to come down. Let's move on to Euro CHF. As you can see, guys, right now trend is down and it's really strong. That's really good for us because it's already touched our daily support level. So what I'm just waiting for the confirmation from here. So what I'm expecting from Euro CHF to go up. As you can see, guys, literally all the CHF pairs are down. So I'm expecting this week to CHF pair to go up. So let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Again, that's not a signal, that's my point of view. Let's move on to our Euro New Zealand pair. And as most of you guys know, New Zealand have a lot of news coming as well. So what I'm expecting New Zealand from here to at least touch my weekly resistance level. So what I'm expecting, this kind of movement from New Zealand, and then it's gonna be fall. So for now, trend is up. It's really going in our favor. So what I'm expecting Euro New Zealand to come on this level, and then we're gonna short. And I'm expecting Euro New Zealand. For now, Euro New Zealand will be go up, but later on it will be down. So let's see what's happened for running week. Last but not the least, EuroCAD. As you can see, guys, EuroCAD touched one of our key support level and is up. Right now, trend is down, but it's weak. So what I'm expecting EuroCAD to come down again from this level, and we will wait for the upward trade circle, wait for the confirmation, and then we're gonna buy. So I'm expecting EuroCAD to go up. So that's it, guys. That's the forecasting of all AUD pairs, guys. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming. Guys, these are not the for these guys. These are just a forecast, not a signal. If you need a signal, you need to join my channel on Telegram. There is a link in your description. So you just press the button, click, and you can join my Telegram. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Cheers.